Hi, this is just a short video on my HQ column shaft. It was originally a column shift, as you can see by this tube here, which I won't be putting back inside the column shaft. I've got to replace the lower bearing and the upper bearing's got to be replaced. Ignition switch going to be replaced. I'm going to be redoing the wiring for the loom here, and also the column shifter assembly won't be used, so I've got a 4-shifter. You can see that's what's going to be Super 5-speed. I'll be putting in this blank plate, a rare spares one. Also ignition switch as a new bearing kit. So I don't have the lower bearing kit yet, but I've ordered that. I've also got a new ignition switch, which that's the old one there, but not sure if I'm going to put the new one in yet because the old one was working fine. To do this, I'd recommend having the Holden service manual. It goes through all the steering. If I can find it, here it is. Alright, there's a column shaft section. Explains how to get the steering wheel off. I notice here that they're using a puller, but you can just pull on the wheel and hit the center of the shaft with a hammer slightly, and the steering wheel just pops straight off. It goes through how to remove the indicator assembly, the ignition switch. Shows you how it all goes back into the dash. Shows the 3 different model types: the automatic, manual, column shift, and the floor shift versions. It shows you how to remove the lower bearing. It's quite simple, most of it. So hopefully when I get the new lower bearing, I'll be reassembling all this, just basically cleaning it all up and putting in the new parts.